I would like to share with you my hijab journey. It was actually just one day when I decided to go cold turkey. One evening I just decided I wanted to wear the hijab. So this was sometime after performing Hajj. Suddenly this thought came into my mind that hijab is given so much importance in Islam, and I didn't want my good and my worships to be negated by not doing this one thing. So one evening I just decided to go cold turkey. I must admit it was very tough in the beginning. I was asked lots of questions. Why? Because it was such a sudden change, and suddenly wearing hijab to work one day, there were lots of questions asked. People told me that you look good without it, and all this did lower my self-esteem to a certain extent. I did avoid going out and meeting my friends for some time, and because I felt I was not cool anymore. But in spite of all the negative thoughts, I stuck by it because I knew I would be rewarded. Since I just went cold turkey, I didn't have any hijabs with me, so I just started to wear these dupattas, these long pieces of cloth called dupattas, which we wear in India. Since dupatta is not meant to be worn as a hijab, since it is too long, it was quite difficult, and I did not know how to wear it, how to keep it from slipping from my head, and how to pin it. My sister was a hijabi, but her method and style was pretty different from mine. So next I went to the stores to Mac and check, and I saw this beautiful printed viscose scarves, so I bought a few of them. They were okay, but pinning them made huge holes in them and they didn't last long. So next I ordered some more viscose hijabs from little known brands. They were okay, they were actually very good size as hijabs, but they again did not last long, and putting pins in them did make big holes. The next absolute life changer was this, the jersey hijab. They were a life changer. No more pins, no more underscarves, no more slipping. Then this was amazing. I went to chiffons only after a few years after I finally felt confident in wearing hijab. To be honest, I still cannot manage a chiffon hijab without an underscarf and plenty of pins. So, what is my advice to people wanting to start wearing hijab? Number one is don't be afraid to go cold turkey. Number two, opinion of the whole world does not matter at all. It is only to please the Almighty. And number three is you are always beautiful no matter what. So number one advice is start with jersey with no other material, only jersey. Number two is buy plenty of underscarves. Number three is ninja scarves. They are a lifesaver, especially if you want to wear chiffons. And yes, pins and magnets, buy plenty of them. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, hit the like button. If you like more of these videos, you can click on the subscribe button because there are more videos coming your way. Bye.